Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Certainly. Here's an in-depth explanation of how Chat GPT can help in freelancing, covering various aspects and benefits. Freelancing has become a popular career choice for many professionals, offering flexibility, independence, and the opportunity to work on diverse projects. As freelancers navigate their work, they often encounter challenges related to time management, client communication, and generating creative ideas. This is where Chat GPT, a powerful language model, can provide valuable assistance. In this guide, we'll explore how Chat GPT can be a valuable tool for freelancers in various areas of their work. 1. Generating creative ideas and content. One of the key challenges for freelancers is consistently generating creative and innovative ideas for their projects. Chat GPT can help by acting as a virtual brainstorming partner. By providing prompts or descriptions of the desired outcome, freelancers can engage in a conversation with Chat GPT to generate new ideas, explore different approaches, and overcome creative blocks. This collaboration can lead to fresh perspectives and unique solutions for client projects. 2. Improving writing and communication. Effective communication is crucial in freelancing, whether it's in client interactions, project proposals, or delivering project updates. Chat GPT can assist freelancers in refining their writing skills and enhancing their communication. By providing sample texts or descriptions, freelancers can seek input and suggestions from Chat GPT to improve the clarity, tone, and structure of their written communication. This can help in crafting persuasive proposals, professional emails, or engaging client presentations. 3. Time management and productivity. Freelancers often struggle with managing their time and staying productive while juggling multiple projects and deadlines. Chat GPT can serve as a virtual productivity assistant, helping freelancers optimize their schedules and prioritize tasks. By discussing their workload, deadlines, and project requirements with Chat GPT, freelancers can receive recommendations and strategies for effective time management. This can include suggestions on task prioritization, creating efficient workflows, or setting realistic deadlines. 4. Research and knowledge acquisition. Freelancers frequently encounter projects that require research and the acquisition of new knowledge in various domains. Chat GPT can act as a knowledge resource, providing information, explanations, or insights on specific topics. Freelancers can engage in interactive conversations with Chat GPT to clarify doubts, gather relevant data, or explore different perspectives. This can expedite the research process and ensure the accuracy and depth of the information acquired. 5. Language translation and localization. For freelancers working in global markets, language barriers can pose challenges when communicating with clients or translating content. Chat GPT can facilitate language translation and localization tasks by providing assistance in understanding or translating text between different languages. Freelancers can leverage Chat GPT's language capabilities to communicate effectively with clients in their preferred language or to localize content for specific regions or markets. 6. Professional development and learning. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for freelancers to stay relevant and expand their skill sets. Chat GPT can serve as a learning companion, offering insights, explanations, and resources on various topics. Freelancers can engage in discussions with Chat GPT to seek recommendations for online courses, books, or tutorials to enhance their skills. They can also receive explanations of complex concepts or techniques related to their field of expertise. 7. Client support and FAQ handling. As freelancers engage with clients, they often encounter frequent inquiries or repetitive questions about their services, project details, or terms and conditions. Chat GPT can help freelancers streamline their client support by assisting in the creation of comprehensive FAQs, frequently asked questions, or automated response systems. By training Chat GPT with common client queries, freelancers can ensure quick and accurate responses to client inquiries, saving time and providing a seamless client experience. 8. Collaboration and feedback. Collaboration with clients. and receiving feedback are integral parts of freelancing. Chat GPT can facilitate these processes by providing suggestions and guidance on collaborative workflows, effective feedback gathering, or resolving conflicts. Freelancers can seek Chat GPT's input on improving the collaboration experience, structuring feedback requests, or handling difficult client situations. This can foster stronger client relationships and lead to better project outcomes. Conclusion. In the world of freelancing, where autonomy and adaptability are key, Chat GPT can serve as a valuable assistant for freelancers in various aspects of their work. From generating creative ideas to enhancing communication skills, managing time efficiently, acquiring knowledge, and improving client interactions, Chat GPT offers a range of benefits. By leveraging the capabilities of this powerful language model, freelancers can enhance their productivity, expand their skill sets, and provide a better client experience, ultimately leading to success in their freelancing careers. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.